mark me oh. Una well done no. Hello, long time my people. I said me I just see they on my own. Me I just dey watch all the live video. Now Monica I want to talk to. See on me I put talker before leave there. Before now go they see my face and when I go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now Mary Edo's Hook Up TV. For there, I go now feel they see my face for there. I don't want to show my face again for Facebook too much. I know they like him. More now go subscribe to Mary Edo's Hook Up TV. There now they see me, I will sit down, see me with my face. I will show and where. So Naim. But Monica, I want to give you AKA. Maybe AKA Monica. Oh, Papa, go money no man. The new name of Monica now is Monica Ambrose, AKA Olodo. I miss you too. Good evening, Mary Edos. Long time. I still relax. Monica, you go say this one Epa good evening. Epa this one. Me too, I don't say come out, can't give you one name. We go master you, plaster you, back, front, everybody will they call you that one. But the name of the name of Monica, new Monica name now is Monica Ambrose, aka Olodo. Monica Market. Monica new name is Monica Ambrose, aka Olodo. Oh, my belly they sweet me. You don't know let you sabi. Now you got mad abi. This one on social media, anything they give you, it go just master you with them. Love you endlessly. I love you too. Wagimaye gbima yaku la video. Wagimaye gbima yaku. Wagimaye gbima yaku Monica no say me. Oh, ije. Oh. You are fe we Wagimaye gbima yaku. Wagimaye gbima yaku ve social media. Oh. Monica Ambrose, aka Olodo. Mona asked me, say, why I give her Monica Ambrose, aka Olodo. Mona asked me, say, Mary Edos, how you take come with this thing? How it happen? Mona asked me. One no man. My David Jamano, you be my Yaku social media every day. Wa fire on your dodge, no can be back my. Mona go my YouTube channel. Now that would they do well. Mary Edos Hook Up TV. My hook up they go on. Okay, and women, Mona how they look for fine boys again. Wagi my settle down. No say as Mary Edos I come make pete. I come make pete. Because when I do so tough, before when I not get man, the time where my man even there with me, Papa Ashley, he not they say for us. 1 week for us, 4 months for Germany. I come in lakba, I want that. But I be get man. But I don't know say different day between say you they stay with together with man for us. I don't know say I never experienced them before. Now see my man. That my mother I tell my mama, we see day. My man reach ground. I could me ye pelte. He na momo. You know why I call Monica? I give her name. This name, my mother they call her Monica Ambrose, aka mia. Me I just now I take come. Monica, if Facebook, if person fit hack your account, me anti account organi, people talk show, abi, men not na people talk show. That's your account, that authentic account where your children picture day, your family picture day, all your things is day. Monica, they just feel account like that for you. Olodo mereke wahin. Olodo. Monica, my dem mo po lega school. Hey, Monica, me, you know say this Mariados they akamo. They even they clean me come from Facebook. I go come back. You know cause say me, I not be olodo like you. And Monica, I see what people talk show. Happy what say? You know what? The thing pay me. I can't cry for you. I can't say, God, what? When you gonna say W. Monica, all my life, that day I never laugh for your live video. That day I laugh for one day. Monica, I'm on my show of the people. Where say, show of the people know why authentic. Authentic nema ya gwalokia. Wonderful platform. Una wa yo lodo ya. Monica, why you not call me? Why you not call me? We not the quarter for Facebook. Call me. If you call me, I go open that thing for you. As he said there, so said if you see contact me, Monica, I go open that your people show of the people. I go open now. Every day. He say your husband a computer na like. Two of you now, Monica Ambrose, aka Olodo, you and your husband. He may work order for a bay. Olodo Mereke. Monica no be here. Wagi ma ye ku ve social media. Oh, the show of the people is gone, man. The show of the people, authentic platform. Oh my God, I'm crying for Monica. Olodo Mereke. Hey Monica, I did www. I go say, then I give www. The new one then still okay. That's it, the new. Laugh, man, finish me. You not finish the sentence. Now, Olodora Pata. Now, bring that water here. Bring the water. Don't put it on the floor, okay? There you go. Ije. You said, Olodora Pata. You tell me God, Wama. Ije, you know how many times when I don't hack Mariados. This Mariados. Then they wipe me, they will clean me for Facebook. Mariados go back, I will come back again. People say, you where? I too get brain for computer. I know where you go come out where I go follow you. The new one is gone, Monica Ambrose, aka Olodo Rapata. Monica, Urerie, Monica, www. I tell you, say, anytime a person comes for social media, I know they asked that time. Monica, you say me be dirty pig, Mariados of all people. I talk to you, I not talk. Me, again, when my expert me like move, he did me ya me. Anybody will cause my social media, I not go talk to you that time. The time when you don't forget, mega move where. Oh Lord, do you Lord do wawa. Your husband not even. They not see show of the people. Even Facebook, they Facebook self, you go if you know if you get sense, Facebook go they help you they fight them. Facebook what go where I fight but remember na ya lie. Remember na ya where Monica is under serious attack. Monica, the new name is Monica Ambrose, aka Olodora Pata. Me una put her dead. I dey like her. Mary Edos not dey curse people again, no. No, I don't dey curse again. I don't dey curse again. I don't change. Monica Ambrose, aka Olodo Rapata. Not sure. Make shit. You say me I not show her. She not go call me. Una not say one day I call Monica. Oh, one girl can't say she want buy bottle. I can't say I know they say bottle. I can't call Monica. As Monica, you speak for WhatsApp. I say hello. You say be there. I say na Mary Edos. Mary Edos. Erewoya fefo. She just blocked me. Her husband is tired of her every day. Trouble to the extent of fighting a man. What a shame on her husband part. Mona go see Monica and her husband, the way they design their picture for social media. They go even use the fake account. They send me friend request. I know they answer them. Is that good? I can't they cry. I cry. You know say you they make money for your platform. Why na you con $low pata? Why you not gonna use your head? You not even sabi do the social media. You not sabi. Instead of now where you they say head na www. Money, shut up. I will not shut up. It's you that will shut up. Why would you ask me to shut up? Monica must get fake account by force. Mary, Mama lovely, go sleep. Okay, hey, you are finishing me. Monica Ambrose, aka Olodo Rapata. www.com. What is your business? Osa's market. Osa's friend. Your mother is Monica Ambrose, aka Olodo Rapata. You can't pay. If you hear you are twelve. Wagimayegbe social media. Oh, il a que me awaku. One no matter me the does. Now wait dirty. You they wash your pants, Monica. A pant you wear joy, but they how okay. But you can't paint your face for social media. Me, if I remove my body, I put clothes for my body, man, before the man go even went outside, the man don't come. Everywhere purple, everywhere clean. Everywhere clean, finish. You understand me? Everywhere clean. No smell, no stinking, nothing. No stinking. I not be like you where you can't paint your face, paint your nose, can't sit down, don't come say you need. What of your own this? You go wear pants 3 days, Monica, okay? Because I beg my way. Wet your panty wear. May you do not that dirty woman. May you do for for Belgium. That dirty woman, they say dirty. My pussy clean die. Only may you boo wear. A pussy I sink even know where you sink, Monica. Where her panty wear, Monica. Where panty wear for 3 days? Who are your panty? Who are Monica? Is that not a shame? You say me I dirty because I want the makeup, they craze. My toto know they smell. I know they wear one pant for sometimes I they change pant 2 days for 1 day. I change pants. Yes, money. If I want bath again in the evening, I'll still remove her. My body is for my man. I know they find man for Facebook when I call the makeup or anything. Me man. Ni hana ya. All you think go look biana. If I want, I'll just see dress come out sometime. Like it be like Christmas Day for me. I'll just see dress they talk. What you go concern me? I can't go the makeup, but my pants are not washer. My tattoo are not washer. I not fit to. Also, I know the street you can pay na market now. Monica lost that big platform, Tyra, because of Olodora Pata. Show of the people, Nimeya Hio. When I dey waka for road, I'll say, you know that Monica, that show of the people now, you don't know her, show of the people. Don't say, that woman, I'll say, yes. I say, I want to go watch her. You don't they go ask, now I want to go watch. So, show of the people, Monica Ambrose, aka Olodora Pata, one of our more for. Una wa more for. Uma hear me. Thank you, Dela. God bless you for that. Can you imagine? A platform. If that platform said if you want to vote for 10,000 euro, you're the mayaga. 10,000 euro, you're the mayaga. 10K. Oh no, wow. You can't come back on the talk. You know shame. You know even shame. Godwin, your mama na Monica Ambrose, aka Olodora Pata. Godwin, he can pay. When Monica they cut everybody, they do everything and not they talk. Now say saga must go, saga must continue. Me not they do saga, but yeah, anytime where I take come out and I boom, boom. I go they laugh, they talk. Olodo. A platform me, no beautiful ne. A platform me no matter because a dog brain woman. Me. Come Mary Edos, I will bring back your platform. Under 2 days. Not be able 2 days. That moment, then they ask me Mary Edos, then go ask me. You get it and they ask. I don't tell anybody. You just click and click and click and click and your platform will be back. Your platform will be back because women you know say you be Olodo, and you use that platform the settings. You a village you don't know say people they intelligent, they don't fear you anytime. You don't even know anything. Now you call the boss of no. I think say you too know. Zombie. Okay, who open that platform for you? Say who open that for you? Naija watch. I got Yishan. I got the Ozuo. Olodo. Nobody can hack Mary Edos. See. Nobody can hack me. Nobody. No matter where you pass, come. My brother Morgan, you wipe me come up for Facebook. The next day, Morgan see me now. Where was social media? Morgan tired. Say, hey, this my sister. You know how they wipe you. This one not be say, they say my Facebook now 25%, 100% don't 80% don't go. My Facebook, Olodo. He can't pay. Olodo repete. He show of the people. Show of the people walk by video. And Monica ya egbe. So me den ropa. No ya sikeme ni mawe. O manoka ka boss sikeme ive we wa be live video unless you do me bad. Like my ladies now for hookup. my ladies, all of them, they work out anyhow what they want. Me don't cover that hook up what they can't join. Now I can't cover them. Nothing. When I go do when I feel come bring their matter come up for Facebook. Like. They don't feel do anything. Me I carry their matter come up for Facebook. Like plus never. Because we belong to one group now. Now they understand me. But you when you don't there for my hookup group, it may where social media. Monica don't see waiting pass her. She come they cry. Now the new name of Monica is Monica Ambrose, aka Olodora Pata. Monica do no be today. Monica do now for 40,000 followers gone because of useless saga. God bless you, nearly black. Show of the people, Monica. Me I with the 10,000 euro. Here page in me. 10,000 euro where? Here. Oh, what? Me all of na iPhone follow Monica cry. Show of the people. Monica, how far market? Make una cry for Nelly. What did they do and so? It better pass. It was pass a pound. Of course, Monica have lost money. I'm telling people the fact. Monica have lost something, big thing. This will not be humiliation something. Then they follow and they cry. Una do well. This is not humiliation. They do a power of una. This one pass a power 1 billion times. You are finished, Monica. Oh yeah. Who know you? Come on for real life. Now I slap you. Bishan. Monica, you the class the man to be your mate. I'm listening. Monica, I tell Bonoma. Ima yegbi mayako social media. Ave dede ni yegbi yako ema. Yes, huge loss. My sister, my brother, I don't know. A pound. Now just say they say oh, yeah, drink water with buzzers. It's nothing, man. You have lost something, Monica. Show of the people. 40,000 followers. Oh my God. Monica is a nice guy, but have a bad friend like Lolo. I reject to have Lolo as a friend in Jesus' name. Man, I thought that kind of thing again. You don't old. I don't old though. Mama. Karate. Come on, my lovely. Okay. I don't feel call now. The thing not they work. Oh, you know they work. You know go.
Okay. So you have.
You don't know that somebody is tired son, yeah? You don't know. Karate. Mama love you, I don't feel call now. Oh. I don't know why. I don't know, I don't feel call now. May come help me finish Monica small. I don't too much. Baba na good evening. Baba na good evening. Not be the same good evening you they talk also. They are where boy where father.
Daddy.
You where you not feed the 40,000 followers platform. Yeah. Monica, you have to be admitted in the hospital. You are sick. You are sick, man. You are sick. Illiteracy, they said, is a disease, Monica. Illiteracy, what you wear. Facebook now, they even try to help you. Then they try to help you regain your Facebook, your platform back. But you don't just know the button to click. He's saying you don't call Naija Watch. Naija Watch do. My husband. It's just 3 steps. You don't come back. You know how many times where don't wipe me. Then they wipe me. Yeah, I'll wipe you, man. You give me Mary dose. I don't see anything again. Ask me, say, I said they come back because I dey intelligent. I not be Olodo Rapata. I not be Olodo Rapata Monica. Okay, move on now. Okay, move on and okay. Okay, man, I don't move on away. Your name is Ambrose Monica Ambrose, aka Olodo Rapata. Yes. Okay, ni name where. Umami na go egwan. I ore na te wala wa very oni denu e. Utevi mayon. I me wa go get egbe mewa. O we www. www. Ah mo re makpagbe. www. Una bye. Just please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mary Edo's Hookup TV. Mary Edo's Hookup TV. That's my name for YouTube. And wanna go subscribe. Now they see me for there with different joke. Make it bonoma. And if you are a lady, you want a serious relationship, you'll be single woman with children. Come meet me. Make I link you up. You dey hear me so? Make una not dey find rich man, fine boy. Make una find love because una wanna dey this European. Majority of our women for here, they don't make her. Some get 4 flat, some get 2 flats, some get 2 flats. But why you go look at me? Go buy get no get why you enjoy. DJ man, I came your way no gbe we be me just yagbe e deriye. Ew, other men they pay me. Make una follow my footsteps. Una go enjoy. Why you? Very many you are going to look at me go here. Remember why in Nigeria and Europe? Why you say nonsense in here? I bet don't work. I love you all. Not too much. God bless you all for listening to my voice.